Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. It is Tuesday, August 29, 2023. It is 5:25 and 35 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, topography and cancer. So let's hop to it here. The topography of the genome influences where cancer mutations thrive. Study shows. Date August 24, 2023. Source: University of California. Researchers have uncovered a connection between the topography of the human genome and the presence of mutations in human cancer. Just as different terrains on Earth foster distinct ecosystems, certain regions in the genome seem to provide an environment for specific mutations to thrive. The human genome is often visualized as the iconic DNA double helix composed of long sequences of the letters A, C, G, and T. However, the genome is far more than that. Like Earth, with diverse landscapes, the genome has a rich topography made up of different structures, shapes, and features. And for example, the genome contains sections where DNA tightly coils, as well as sections where it coils more loosely. Some sections are looped. The genome also possesses various features, such as one called replication timing, where certain regions of the genome are copied early during cell division, while other regions are copied much later. The scientific investigators and microbiologists examine all the known genome topographical features and look for connections with specific patterns of mutations, known as mutational signatures, across all human cancers. In total, they analyzed the effects of 516 topographical features on mutational signatures across 5,120 whole genome sequence tumors from 40 cancer types. One of the study's key findings is that several mutational signatures linked to alcohol consumption accumulate in regions of the genome that are copied early during cell division. This connection was specifically seen in 3 types of cancers: esophageal, head and neck, and liver. This finding is unexpected. The researchers noted because mutations tend to arise in regions that are copied in the later stages of cell division, as this is where errors occur more frequently. As DNA replication during early cell division is more precise, affording early replication genome segments greater protection from mutations. However, the researchers found that the opposite is happening when it comes to alcohol consumption related mutational signatures. The researchers also observed something interesting with mutational signatures tied to the antiviral activity of a set of enzymes known as APOB, EC3, deaminases. They found that these mutational signatures accumulate in both early and late replicated regions of the genome. These findings are significant because a lot of essential genes live in the early replicated regions of the genome. The research shows that certain mutagenic processes are not playing by the regular rules, so they could potentially be hitting key genes and pathways that are normally protected. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.